Well, I finally made it. I'm here in Sri Lanka. What am I doing here? I'm here to see what the food is all about.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far.
And so a new food adventure begins. And it starts right here on the plane with an 11-hour flight. But first, an aperitif with nibblies. For the main meal, we had pepper chicken curry with mixed curried vegetables and steamed rice, plus a pasta salad that contained no pasta. You never know when you need to buy a dryer at an airport.
Or a stove.
Or a stove.
Or a fridge.
Or a fridge.
We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
What you're seeing is a mega development project as Sri Lanka thrives to become an upper middle income country. We're staying at the Taj Samudra Hotel. Are you kidding me? Instant coffee? Time for breakfast. Two omelettes, two ham omelettes. There's always plenty of fresh fruit at these hotels. You also get Western, Asian and traditional dishes. Oh yeah, some real coffee. But today, I'm definitely going for a traditional. This is a wood apple, an indigenous Sri Lankan fruit. It has a woody hard shell that needs to be cracked. Inside is an unusual cheesy smell and it has a pudding-like texture. The taste is a combination of tamarind fruit with dried mixed fruit. For breakfast, I'm going for hoppers, a thin pancake made from rice flour and coconut milk. So it's rice flour, coconut milk and baking soda. 3 ingredients, salt and pepper, seasonally. It's essentially gluten and dairy-free. This is masala dosa, a type of crepe using fermented batter made from soaked rice and lentils. It's usually served with an assortment of chutneys and vegetable sambar. The Taj Samudra in Colombo was built in the early 80s and extensively renovated a few years ago, bringing the classic architecture with modern design. About to see the Buddha ceremony. Okay, not this temple, but the next one. The temple's architecture demonstrates a mix of Sri Lankan, Thai, Indian and Chinese architecture.
Sri Lankan Buddha. It's a Sri Lankan Buddha position. What's the Chinese one? Two hands there. That's the Chinese one. And what else is there?
Korean.
Korean.
Thailand, one land here, one land here.
Oh, Thailand's like that. Totally different. So there you go. All the different Buddhas.
Supposedly, Queen Elizabeth travelled in this car when she visited Sri Lanka. I didn't expect to see vintage cars in a temple. A peaceful place to meditate. All the Buddhas in harmony. As much as I hate seeing elephants in chains, they told me he would rejoin his parents today. Good luck, little fella.
We're just waiting for our tuk-tuk to arrive because we're doing a food tour with Bob Marley.
Welcome.
Thank you.
That's funny. I remember Bob Marley as being a better singer than that. On this tour, you also get fresh coconut juice and an esky with beer and drinks. This is our first stop. Check out all the food.
Who cooked this? You. Really, you. You're the driver and the chef. Very good.
Really?
I still don't know if he was having us on, but supposedly our driver is also our chef. The food was so delicious. We had vegetarian green mango curry, famous Sri Lankan baby jackfruit, a lemon fish with curry leaves, some stir-fried okra or ladyfingers, some coconut sambal, cashew curry, and a small eggplant curry made with chili, tomato and lemon.
Every food, every single one of them has been tasty and a new experience for me. I've never tried this type of food. I like spicy, but I know Sri Lankan spicy is a lot higher spicy.
Okay, my turn to drive. So how was my driving, Bob? Our next stop is Coffee and Spice.
I can smell the coffee already.
Thank you.
Welcome to the beef factory. We have black pepper and they have cloves. White pepper. They have cloves over here.
Cloves.
This is what your
You can really smell that, yeah.
They have raw coffee beans.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that is what you roast it together and smell out of it. Yeah. And we have black pepper. These are ginger flakes. Okay, we do use it in Sri Lanka to make a ginger powder.
Okay.
And over here we have star anise.
Star anise, yeah.
So over here we have nutmeg. We have to break the shell.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And over here we have paprika.
That's a nice colour.
Paprika takes 1 year to produce.
Oh, thank you. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at the crema. We just had some coffee. And I needed that coffee, and that coffee was delicious. You don't need to go to Italy, just come to Sri Lanka.
We even got given free gifts. How nice is that? This is a chicken dish that's chopped up with a roti bread, carrot, leeks and egg, and has a rich gravy. Oh, yum!
Nice to meet you, Gerard. I'm Joel.
And a quick stop to try out some different teas. This is string hoppers. It's made with red rice, the other one is white rice. The cylinder-shaped one is called pitu. It's made by packing coconut and rice flour inside a bamboo and it's then steamed. Let me show you how pitu is made.
Coconut
And rice flour
and rice flour,
and mixing.
and he mixes them together. I'm not sure where we are right now, but we're in Colombo somewhere where there's a lot of street food and we're going to try some out.
We had cuttlefish and seafood sauce, some roast chicken, dal and delicious roti bread. And that concludes an awesome Sri Lankan food tour. I'll leave the links in the description if you're interested. Thank you, Bob Marley. It was tasty and a lot of fun.
And now we're off to the Ambassador Villa in Galle.
Don't miss my next tasty travel vlog where you will see this incredible villa that we stayed in. It was originally the house to the Iraqi and Pakistan ambassadors.